One of the favorite things to do with our veggies is roast them up, and my wife told me to go grab a pan of veggies for roasting up, and I brought this pan up here full, and she looked at that and she's like, who the heck are we feeding tonight? Get rid of half of them. So I had to take some of them back down, but you can see it's all out of our garden. It's the fresh garlic, the shallots, sweet potatoes, white potatoes that are left, and some beets and butternut squash, and that's what we finally wound up roasting, plus butternut, plus some actual Brussels sprouts that we had bought. My wife did cut up that one big beet there, and she wasn't happy with the flavor that it had after she kind of parboiled it before putting it in the pan, so that one wound up being replaced by smaller ones later. And there's a butternut squash there. Just take the good part of it and, cut it up. And, there's the beets again. So this is what we used. We used beets, sweet potatoes, white potatoes, garlic, shallots, and carrots from the garden. And we did buy some Brussels sprouts. And then we just take and sprinkle some crazy salt on it. Cube it up like that. And then just put it in a roasting pan and roast at 375 till done. And this size pan took about 2 hours. You stir it a couple times through to make sure everything gets browned up a little bit, and that's one of the uses that we have for the veggies, and we really love them roasted like this. You can also add things like turnip and parsnip and stuff like that if you have it. That really goes good in it also. So I just did a quick video here to show you exactly how we use some of them. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.